Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new RS Taichi Helinx CE Level 2 chest protector. The RS Taichi Helinx separate chest protector retails for $79.95 as the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is level 2 CE certified. It uses two different materials. You've got kind of a hard outer shell here, honeycomb design, right, which is very efficient at managing impact. You can see there are perforations that are preserved here. For example, with this GMX Aero jacket, all that perforation, right, is now not blocked when you have the chest protector. It's going to allow a lot of that to flow through and keep you cool. Taichi is all about engineering in those fine details, and you see that in all their products. That's really where they kind of identify and separate from the competition, is the very fine points. Their chest protection systems are a great example of just that. You got that hard outer shell, right? Inside you have this energy managing material that kind of, as it warms, I found this stuff gets a little softer, and that cellular design is a very efficient way at managing an impact, right? It takes an impact and all those cells kind of collapse against each other and work to slow that down. Attaching it to the jacket. All of the modern Taichi jackets have the chest protector attachment system built in, okay? You'll see right here, the breast of the jacket, there are 4 metal snaps, and on the protector, there are 3. This is held on by Velcro, so if you want to take this off, you're able to do so. Leave that Velcroed on like so, and what you're going to do is you're going to use the snaps to help adjust it too. If you need it to ride higher, you will start on the upwardmost snap. If you need it to ride a little lower, you can start on the lowermost snap. What I have seen that is possible as well is you're able to take the Velcro off. These Velcro textures are a little bit different, I'll say that, but you could probably attach it like so with Velcro, kind of, it'd be a little less surface area because now you lose the height of the snaps, right? The holding power is good. I think it's a little bit better with the snaps, but I think that's an option that you could use too as a rider. So looking at this is a very simple system. It allows you to put the chest armor in, leave it inside the coat, and then of course if you choose to ride without it for whatever reason, it's a very simple process to pull it out. In this video we're going to go ahead and show you too what the difference is when I have the jacket on without the chest armor and what it looks like with the chest armor in place. Okay, I'm wearing a Taichi GMX Aero 54 Euro leather jacket. I don't have any of the chest inserts in right now, so you can have an idea of the influence they have on the way the jacket looks and how it fits. Okay, I've got the Taichi, the Helinx separate chest protector plates snapped into the coat. Give you an idea of how the fit is altered. Mobility is still excellent. I mean, it really hasn't changed the fit of the coat for me a whole bunch. Maybe you look a little buffer, like spent a little more time in the gym. But end of the day, the protection becomes almost invisible. Okay, there you have it. You've seen the product. You've seen what it looks like in the coat. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you all out.